Hi, my name is Mike Wolyniak from the CUR Biology Division, and this is our CUR 5 in 5 video entitled The Nuts and Bolts of CUR Development.
Hello, my name is Lance Barton. I am a professor and chair of biology at Austin College. I am also a counselor and the current chair of the Biology Division of CUR, and I would like to welcome you to this 5 in 5 about the Mentoring the Integration of Research into the Classroom, or MIRIC program. When considering how to develop a research-embedded course, we encourage you to follow the principles of backward design and think in terms of outcomes first. When writing your student learning outcomes, think not only in terms of content by asking yourself, what do I want students to be able to know after this course? But also in terms of skills, by asking, what do I want students to be able to do after completing this experience? It is also helpful to ask yourself questions like, what are developmentally appropriate expectations for the students enrolled in this course? And how independent are these students as learners? This will help you keep focused on achievable goals when developing your CUR.
Hi, I'm Putzke, a professor of biology at Whitworth University, CUR counselor, and MIRIC mentor. I want to offer some quick suggestions on how you think about the questions you want answered when developing a CUR. First, ask yourself, how does this CUR fit into a larger research program? Can you develop a CUR around the projects in your own research lab? Or will students develop their own questions? How is this connected to the learning outcomes you developed? And what data would you like to generate through this CUR? Second, in developing the questions, ask which ones will be most beneficial for you to address. How will you generate impact from the research questions examined in the CUR you develop? And third, ask yourself how you can leverage this to benefit both your scholarship and teaching responsibilities. We're all busy, and there's no reason why you can't do scholarship while teaching, right? Good luck in developing your CUR.
The next strategy for effective CUR development is to begin considering logistics. This means building context for your course and CUR. The first thing to consider is where and how your CUR fits into your departmental and institutional curriculum. Questions you can ask yourself include, what academic structures in my institution can I leverage? And what academic limitations exist for the population of students that I am targeting, including the context of both previous and future coursework and training. Secondly, this means thinking through the physical and financial aspects of the CUR. This involves surveying what current resources you can take advantage of in terms of equipment, supplies, instructional spaces, etc., while also considering the possible limitations in this same set of resources. In the end, this strategy involves a thoughtful consideration of how you will transition your ideal CUR plan into an actual reality in the classroom with the resources and structures available to you.
When designing a CUR, it's important to consider pedagogy and course structure. Are there any specific teaching methods you would like to use? How will your laboratory be used versus class time? In addition, it's important to consider how long your experimental techniques take and if they will fit in your allotted class time. You may need to demonstrate the effectiveness of your CUR to your university. Making a plan to assess your course not only allows you to show its benefits, but will also reveal to you areas for improvement. With assessment, you could even publish a paper about your class in the journal Scholarship and Practice of Undergraduate Research. To ensure that your CUR is sustainable long-term, it must fit into the broader curriculum at your institution. For example, is there particular content that must be covered? What will be the prerequisites for your class? This will ensure that your CUR meets departmental assessment responsibilities and goals.
Hi, my name is Mike Wolyniak, and I'm an associate professor of biology at Hampden-Sydney College in Virginia. And for our final tip in CUR development, We're hopeful that you'll join our program run by the CUR Biology Division, the Mentoring the Integration of Research into the Classroom, or MIRIC initiative. MIRIC is designed to help all members of the life science community develop the skills and confidence necessary to convert research experiences into effective, authentic research-based classroom modules. This year, we're adopting a new focus, building affinity groups to help design a set of strategies on focus topics, such as online instruction, equity and inclusion, and working with introductory versus advanced students for the purpose of being able to inform the entire life science community on effective cure development strategies. It's an exciting and dynamic network with much opportunity to help learn from your peers on effective strategies for integration of research into the classroom. If you're interested in learning more, please follow the URL here on the screen. Well, thank you for paying attention to our video, and we hope to be able to work with you soon.